In this video, you will learn how to view traffic sources on a specific page in Google Analytics. Follow these simple steps. Go to Google Analytics and log in using your credentials. After that, select the account, property and view that you want to analyze. On the left side, click on Acquisition to expand the menu. Under Acquisition, click on All Traffic, then select Medium or Sources. In the top right corner of your screen, set the data range for a period of time that you want to analyze, such as last 30 days or past 7 days. In the traffic sources for a specific page, click on Secondary Dimensions drop-down just above the table. In the search bar, type in Page under Behavior. This will add a page of data as secondary dimensions. Once the page dimensions is added, scroll through the table to find specific pages you're interested in. You can also use the search bar above to add tables and parts of URLs. The table now shows a full breakdown of the traffic sources, such as referrals, paid searches and organic searches, and how they contributed to the visits of that specific page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.